Introducing the butterfly leaf plant, Christia obcordata of the family Fabaceae. Butterfly leaf plant is also known as swallowtail plant. Butterfly leaf plant is a prostrate herbaceous perennial known for its striking foliage featuring triangular burgundy-striped green leaves that resemble a butterfly's open wings. It grows on long, thin stems, so the broad, variegated leaves flutter with any breeze or movement nearby, just like a butterfly. It is native to the Asian tropics where it grows in grasslands, waste grounds, and thickets. The butterfly leaf plant boasts a variety of remarkable physical traits. Typically, it reaches a height of 1 to 2 feet and exhibits a sprawling or upright growth habit. The leaves are the standout feature of this plant, being quite distinctive with their unique obcordate shape, a broad base that tapers toward the tip, resembling the wings of a butterfly. The bright green foliage contrasts beautifully with the delicate flowers that bloom on slender stalks. The butterfly leaf plant plays a vital role in its ecosystem. The flowers are a popular nectar source for various pollinators such as bees and butterflies, which rely on the plant for sustenance. Additionally, the plant roots contribute to soil stabilization, preventing erosion and promoting soil health. The rich nitrogen content in the plant's material derived from its legume family enhances soil fertility, a boon for neighboring plants.